In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a WordPress template. This process will help you customize your website to better fit your personal style or business needs. Whether you're tweaking existing templates or starting from scratch, these steps will guide you through the editing process smoothly. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by visiting wordpress.com. This is where you manage all your website functionalities efficiently, making it a central hub for all your editing work. Once you're logged in and at the WordPress dashboard, locate the menu on the left side of your screen. The next step is to click on Appearance. The Appearance section is key because it controls the look and feel of your website. Here, you'll find various options for the visual elements of your site, including themes, widgets, and the menu. With Appearance opened, the next move is to click on Editor. The editor is a powerful tool where you can dig into the code and design of your theme. It provides you with direct access to your theme's files, allowing for extensive customization. It's worth noting that making changes here requires some familiarity with coding, especially if you're venturing beyond simple adjustments. So, take your time exploring what's available in the editor. Once you're in the editor, look for the Templates option. Clicking on Templates will open a range of pre-designed layouts that dictate how your web pages look. These can be custom-tailored to better suit the purpose they're meant to serve on your website. Templates can include various page types such as homepage layouts, blog post designs, or even specific landing pages. They are the skeletons of your website, shaping everything from structure to style. After selecting the template section, identify the specific template you want to modify. For that, you'll see 3 dots. Click those to open a menu with more options. This action brings up a context menu that offers choices relevant to managing the templates, including the editing option that we require here. Clicking on Edit will take you into the nitty-gritty part of customizing your template. This is where creativity comes into play. Here, you can change the layout, swap colors, play with fonts, and adjust various settings to bring your vision to life. Please remember to save your changes periodically to avoid any loss of work. Testing these changes is crucial to ensure that everything looks and functions as expected. The final step in this process is to view your edited site. You do this by going to the domain where your site is hosted. In this case, something like test06296.wordpress.com. Check how the modifications look live to make sure everything aligns with your expectations. If things need adjusting, you can always revisit the editor and tweak your settings again. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to start editing WordPress templates, enhancing both the functionality and aesthetics of your website. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.